It's time for Jamie's yoga adventures.
This episode is called Sonny's Lost Key.
Are you ready to do some yoga? Amazing! Just copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. Oh, look. There's something that isn't usually there. It's a treasure chest. Oh, let's do our treasure chest pose. Oh, look. Treasure chest pose is our first glow move. Let's go, go, glow. Coming down to sit on our bottoms, soles of our feet together, we fold forwards to close the lid of our treasure chest. Brilliant. Sitting up tall. But what is the treasure chest doing here?
Jamie! There you are!
Hello, Sonny.
Oh, great to see you, Jamie. And it's amazing to see you too. You spotted my treasure chest. There's only one key that can open this lock.
Oh, well, where is it?
That's the problem. I think I've lost it. And now your amazing surprise is locked inside it.
Right. Up we come to stand. I'm sure we can find it if we work together. Should we go by roller skates, dinosaur clomps, or crab walks?
Oh, dinosaur clumps, please.
Dinosaur clomps it is. Jumping our feet wide, folding all the way forwards, we grab our ankles and we lift 1 foot at a time, going clump, 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 clumpety clump, 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 clumpety clump, clump, clump. Let's look for the key with our cosmonoculars. Joining our thumbs and fingers together, have a look through. Ooh, what's that shining in the tree? It's the key! But it's so high in the tree, how will we get to it?
Are you ready for your amazing surprise?
Yes, we are, aren't we?
Okay, get ready.
Let's come down to sit with our legs crossed, ready to finally find out what our amazing surprise is.
Oh no.